Their strength is to counter attack. We have this thing these days of playing the ball long, naughty. If we do that, we mustn't lose it. We have to be sure, because they will play on a counter attack or break attack. Watch, this is their strength. This is their dangerous weapon. The number 12 is their dangerous weapon. Forget about Umusona. This guy is very dangerous. He is their most dangerous weapon. We have to look after him. Umutau on the right, Melam lock, Melam key. Otherwise, he's going to give us too many problems. Here's the counter. Throw in Angola. They counter. This is the only way, or their most dangerous weapon is this number 12. Even though Musona scored this goal, that number 12 is going to be a problem. Yes, he might not score, but I think he's going to create a lot of problems for us.